Hi,
How
Okay.
are you?
Good, how are you? Okay, Joe and Andrea, that's who we're talking to.
We're making you a video
Yeah.
on my new laptop. It
Yeah.
has a webcam. Awesome. Okay,
Oh, okay, countdown of our lives. Number 1.
number 1.
I'm still in love with Justin.
It's true.
I
She
want
is.
to have his babies because he's very attractive.
It's not going anywhere at the moment. We'll work on that and let you know. Okay.
Number 2. Casey and Marissa.
Still gross.
Still nasty.
The other day we had to eat supper with them. There's a lot of this over the table. Ugh. 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 Come on. Ugh. Ugh. Okay. Number 3.
It's snowing! Yay!
Okay. Yeah, I bet it's not snowing where you live.
Which is where?
Tennessee. Mississippi.
Oregon?
Louisville!
No, Louisville.
Louisville, Kentucky. Louisville. Okay.
That's where you are. And this will be continued.
I hope you enjoyed it.